How to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, I'm going to show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. You want to go ahead and open your Robinhood account right here. It could be on your mobile devices or in your Windows computer. Right after that, let's go ahead and get our address for our Solana wallet. Now I'll just go ahead and open up my Solana from my extension right here. And right after that, if you navigate through the account name, you can then go ahead and see all of your addresses for different networks. You can just go ahead and copy your address for Solana. And right after that, we can now go ahead and proceed to the withdraw page of the Robinhood right here. Now, unfortunately, this application right here is not available on my country, so I'll just go ahead and use Binance as an example, but it will basically go ahead and look the same. Now from here, you simply want to go ahead and navigate through your Robinhood wallet, click on the withdrawal page, and from here we will be able to choose what type of assets we want to withdraw to our Phantom wallet. You can just go ahead and search for Solana, enter the address that we copied from our Phantom wallet, and from here just go ahead and enter the amount and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.